Hey guys, Luke Gonzalez from MarineMax in Miami. Today we're on board a 2020 Scout 215 XSF. This is the Bay Boat series from Scout, and we're going to do a little walkthrough for you. Starting at the transom here, you'll notice this boat is powered by a Yamaha 150 outboard 4-stroke. And then you also notice you have plenty of room on the back transom here to walk about and to hang out when you're at the sandbar. And then starting at the rear fold-back bench seat here, very, very nice and easy to deploy. So when you are underway, you can be very comfortable back here. And then when you are fishing, it folds away just like that, very easy. There's cup holders throughout. As well, you have a big live well back here in the back right corner. It does have a tempered glass over it, so you can watch over your bait and make sure they're staying healthy. Starting at the helm seat here, you'll notice rod holders throughout. And then also a standard cooler is provided as well. And then, of course, more cup holders. And then you also notice you have JL speakers throughout. And then at the helm station here, you have your standard flip-up bolster seats. So you can either sit down or lean when you are underway. You have your tilt steering here, so whatever you prefer when you're running. You have your Yamaha digital throttle here, very smooth. You also have your Yamaha fuel gauges and RPM gauges, and then the rest of your toggle switching here, which is very, very nice and right in front of you, so you don't have to, look in any compartments or whatever. And then you also have your Fusion stereo mount. More cup holders as well. And then moving to the console here, you also have a portable head here, and then a ton of storage here to put any life jackets or, any towels, any bags. Very, very nice feature. And then something about this Scout, which is very unique to a lot of these bay boats, is look how high these gunnels are. So, you feel very safe when you're leaning over to gaff a fish, or if you have young kids on board. Very, very nice feature. And then moving up to the bow area here, a really, really big sun pad chair right here. Could fit two very comfortably. This is a very nice part of the boat. And then just a giant storage hatch right here. This can be used as pretty much anything, a fish box. It'll hold ice really well. It could also be used as dry storage, whatever you prefer. And then you have these really nice, comfortable seats in the bow area here. I'm 6'1" and I have plenty of room to lounge out. And then under these seats, you also have more dry storage under both sides. Can be also used as a cooler as well, whatever your needs may be that day. And then up in the bow area here, here's your locker hatch. Plenty of room in there, plenty of room for all the rope you need. And then you also have a big standing room to, be as a casting deck as well. So for more information on this Scout, give me a call at 954-205-5744 or visit MarineMax.com. This is Luke Gonzalez from MarineMax Miami.